Hi, today let's see how to make egg puffs at home. I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 100 to around 150 grams of butter and mixing it well. After mixing the butter, the flour should be moist. There shouldn't be any dry flour. By the way, it was an unsalted butter. I'm adding salt to it. Now add water little by little and mix it. Give it a good mix and form a smooth ball out of it. The dough is ready. Now cover it up and refrigerate for 20 minutes. In the same bowl, I have taken around 200 grams of butter and adding wheat flour little by little and giving it a smooth mix. As it is unsalted butter, adding salt to it. Transferring the butter to a smaller bowl. Refrigerate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we are taking the dough and the butter and spreading the dough like this. Need not spread into a thin sheet. Place the butter in the middle and fold the sheet. After folding the dough, now let's spread this again. Make sure there is enough dry flour to prevent sticking. Gently dab it so that it gets evenly spread. The butter will come out, but no issues. You can spread the dry flour above it and fold it well and refrigerate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of refrigeration, take the dough out and spread it, fold and again refrigerate for 20 minutes. Repeat the process for 4 times. Now let's make the onion masala for stuffing. In a cooker, I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 big onions chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and salt as required. Closing it and keeping it for 1 whistle. Now let's open the cooker and stir the onion so that it turns light brown color. Now the onion masala is ready. Meanwhile, I have boiled 3 eggs. Removing the shell. Keeping the egg masala aside, now let's take the dough from the refrigerator. I have repeated 4 times the process, like refrigerating for 20 minutes, taking the dough out, spreading it, folding it and then refrigerate. So after 4 times of this process, now I have taken the dough and spreading it into a thin sheet for one last time. By the way, don't make it very thin. Should be medium sized. Dust it as and when required to prevent sticking. After spreading it, cutting the edges and dividing into equal parts of square shapes. Now let's fill the onion masala inside the puffs. By the way, cut the egg into 2 halves and then fill it inside the puff. If you want, you can keep a full egg, but I am keeping only half size. Fold it as per your wish. I am folding it this way. Meanwhile, I am preheating the oven for almost 10 to 15 minutes. After folding the puffs, I am doing egg wash. The main purpose of this is to give the brownish shade over the puffs after baking. After baking for 40 minutes, our egg puffs are ready. This is to show you the layers of the puffs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.